welcome you all once again to this webinar series on civil engineering excellence. Friends, today we are going to discuss about the lump sum tender or lump sum contract. See, as the word implies, lump sum means we overall work out the total cost of the project and then we invite the tender from the market. Now, contractors, based on the details, whatever has been worked out, they will work out their cost and they will quote the tender for the cost. These type of tenders are most common for repetitive works, like for example flyovers. Nowadays all cities we are making so many flyovers. Now clients, whether it is any city, but client has got a fair idea about the cost of a flyover because he has already made so many flyovers. So he can work out the cost. This is the, for example, 100 crore is the cost for this flyover. So based on that he will invite the market tenders. Now based on the market condition, market rates, agencies will quote accordingly. तो इसमें एक एडवांटेज क्या है दोस्तों इसका, क्लाइंट नीड नॉट टू वरी अबाउट द डिटेलिंग वर्क. आई मीन वर्किंग आउट डिटेलिंग इज रिक्वायर्ड, बट ड्यूरिंग एग्जीक्यूशन recording of detailed measurements is not required, which is a very cumbersome job, and manpower is also required for that. So that way client is saving. But the agency, he has to do lot of activities at his house based on the details provided by the client, and he has to calculate the accurate cost because he is not going to be compensated for the variation in the quantities, and there will not be any quantity measured. Now how do we measure the works in this type of contract? See, normally just for example there is a construction of bridge, so we invite a lump sum tender. Now in this case what happens, drawings are also prepared. Sometimes drawing client will prepare, sometimes drawing will be prepared by the agencies. Say big agencies, those who are expert in the construction of say flyovers and bridges, they will prepare the drawings, they will get it approved by the client, and then based on that payment stages are made. Like that, say for example construction of one foundation up to ground level 5% will be released, then construction of piers this much percentage will be released, then construction of the deck slab some 10%, 20% will be released. Like that the payment part is distributed. Girder placing and deck slab construction some percentage will be removed, paid. Then completion of this pre-stressing work, if it is a pre-stress bridge, this much percentage will be released. So like that the total amount is distributed according to the work executed at site. So it becomes very easy for both the parties, client as well as the contractor, as far as the billing part is concerned. बट इसमें एक आपको डिसएडवांटेज क्या है इसका, हर एक टेंडर का कुछ ना कुछ डिसएडवांटेज है, कुछ ना कुछ एडवांटेज है. डिसएडवांटेज इसमें यह है कि सपोज यू एनविसेज ए पर्टिकुलर टाइप ऑफ item during the time of your preparation of tender. Now in market, suppose that type of thing is not available and you want to change the item or you want to substitute the item, then it becomes difficult to exactly work out the cost. See, client may work out something but contractor may not agree, or contractor may propose something, client may not agree. So these are the plus and minus, advantages, disadvantages, all types of contract. So this is called lump sum contract. तो आज के वीडियो में दोस्तों इतना ही. नेक्स्ट टेंडर में हम लोग बात करेंगे टन की कॉन्ट्रैक्ट के बारे में या कंपोजिट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट के बारे में. मिलते हैं दोस्तों नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. थैंक यू.